Have you ever pondered over the necessity of a sous vide in your kitchen? Well, allow me to share some insights on the numerous benefits of this culinary marvel, and why it might just be the missing ingredient in your cooking repertoire. Firstly, a sous vide guarantees consistent results every single time. It's a simple principle, really. By cooking your food to a precise temperature for an exact amount of time, you can expect the same perfect results each time you use it. Say goodbye to overcooked steaks or undercooked chicken. With a sous vide, every bite is cooked to perfection. Secondly, sous vide cooking locks in the flavors. Traditional cooking methods often cause food to lose its natural flavors and juices. But with sous vide, the food is sealed in a vacuum bag, ensuring all those delicious juices and flavors stay right where they belong, in your food. Thirdly, sous vide provides the luxury of time. No need to constantly monitor the stove or adjust the oven temperature. Simply set the temperature, put your food in, and let the sous vide work its magic. This gives you more time to prepare other dishes, or simply kick back and relax. Another key benefit of the sous vide is its ability to tenderize less expensive cuts of meat. The slow, low-temperature cooking process breaks down the tough connective tissues in the meat, transforming a cheaper cut into a tender, flavorful dish. So, not only does sous vide enhance your cooking, it can also be kind to your wallet. Perhaps one of the most understated benefits of sous vide is the sheer versatility it offers. From vegetables to meats and even desserts, there's virtually no limit to the types of dishes you can prepare. At Patriot Kitchen, we love the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0. It is easy to use, easily clamps to most pots, and is easy to clean. No more hot kitchens too. The process does not create a lot of heat in the kitchen. Simply seal your food, set the temp to what you desire on the wand, and let it do the magic. Giving a final sear will add beauty and flavor. You will love the ease and difference this makes. Click the link below to get yours today. To summarize, the sous vide is a fantastic addition to any kitchen for a multitude of reasons. It guarantees consistency in your meals, locks in flavors, provides you with extra time, tenderizes less expensive cuts of meat, and offers you a world of culinary versatility. So if you've ever found yourself yearning for restaurant-quality meals at home, or simply looking for a way to breathe new life into your cooking, consider the sous vide. It may just revolutionize the way you approach your kitchen endeavors. After all, who wouldn't want to elevate their culinary game with simplicity and convenience? Please hit the like button below and subscribe to join us in the journey. Happy cooking!